Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 7. You know what this means? 1 week anniversary. Woo! Right? Nice. Day 7. Now, let's get into it. Strength. What did I do for strength today? 30 push-ups, 3 sets of 10, and diamond push-ups. Now, this might sound like yesterday's strength thing, and because it is. However, there's one small but not really small difference. Now, what is this difference? So yesterday, I did normal push-ups, doing this, right? On the floor, bam, 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 bam. I did that 10 times, and then rested a bit, and then I did 10 more, and then rested a bit, and then I did 10 more. But today, I found out my dad had these bar things. I don't know if they're for push-ups or not, but I use them. Now, it does make it like elevated. So normally elevated push-ups are easier. However, because the bar, you hold them like this, right? When you push in fully, it goes beyond the normal like range, and then your chest goes in deeper. So when you push out, it's actually harder. So I did 30 of these ones. So they are a step up, and that's what we're trying to achieve. Every day we go a step up, right? So we tried, and then I did the 5 diamond push-ups again. I failed, but we can't expect success on the first time we try something, or the second try. If we try it enough times, we'll eventually succeed, and that's what I'm banking on. So maybe you'll see tomorrow that I'll succeed in the 5 diamond push-ups. Maybe you'll see in the next 10 days I'll succeed. Maybe by day 100 I won't succeed. But I know eventually I will, and that's what's important. Now for intelligence. So I did my homework. And I'll be explaining them more thoroughly. Today I did my math homework, and we're right now doing sequences, but this isn't like your normal sequencing, like no. At the beginning it's like, oh, what's this pattern? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like, yeah, it's +2, easy. Don't pay attention in class, I got this. And then now they're gonna be like, sigma this, then if you skip these two, but don't skip these. I'm like, what is this? And then there's formulas you have to remember, like Sn equals something blank, and then like minus this plus. Oh my god, I'm cooked, and I have a test tomorrow. What the hell? So I'm kind of cooked for that, not gonna lie. And then I also did my modern history homework. So my not modern history, U.S. history. Now my U.S. history homework is kind of interesting. I mean, some people find it interesting, I guess. It's talking about U.S. in the World War II, regarding World War II. So at the beginning, they declared neutrality, saying, we're not on either side. But that's not really how they acted, because they were like, okay, well, we can sell weapons to these people, or we can loan out money, and like they'll return our money, and then everything will be good. So that's what they did. But due to England's like naval blockade, like Germany's here, they want to receive supplies, but England was like, nope, blocking you. So America really was only like supporting England and France, so they're supporting the Allies. So even though they technically are trading both ways, they really were only trading to England, France, and other allied countries. And then later on, Pearl Harbor happened, so America's like, my fellow Americans, let's go to war. And then they sent over the 2 atomic bombs, and the rest is history. So I think like some aspects of it's kind of interesting. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. Now, discipline. Today is pretty fun for discipline. Why? Because an event happened today. that almost made me not record this video. I fell asleep. But in the middle of me falling asleep, something clicked in my brain. It awoke me. I jolted awake. I realized I did not record this video yet. I need to record this video. It's a 1 week anniversary. So, in my bed, as you can see behind me, I jolted awake. I went here and I started recording. If that's not discipline, I don't know what is. Actually, that's not discipline. Discipline would be making sure you record the video, then going to sleep. But what can we do? We're here now, and we're recording it now. It's just dedication. Maybe not discipline, but it still starts with a D. Yeah. So, since it's a 1 week anniversary, I'll actually be talking about how I felt these 7 days. There has been a change, and I talked about the small change that happened from day 4 to day 6, which I was just talking more about like my interests and stuff, and that's how I wanna not exactly I wanna move on with the series, but it's something I like, right? It to me the series is kind of like journaling, making sure that I improve every single day, and I think that's been pretty healthy for me, because every day I'm thinking, yeah, I need to do this for the video. I need to make sure I exercise for the video. What can I fill in for discipline? Oh, I did this today. Okay, I'll make sure I can do that for discipline. So I personally think it has been helping me be more productive throughout the day. And yeah, well, and then I really like just talking about the section in the back. Sometimes it's hard to find a topic to talk about. However, sometimes it just comes really naturally. So like day 4, Galaxy has Photon Dragon. Day 5, the CFO, like that like came really natural. I'm like, I want to talk about that today. I'm talking about that today. Day 5 was a little iffy. I'm like, okay, I guess I'll talk about juggling because that's something about me. And I just think the journaling aspect of this series has been healthy for both like my mental and also like my productivity. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Hopefully I'll make the 100 days. No, not hopefully, I will make the 100 days, and by the end of the 100 days, hopefully you guys will see how much I've grown. That will be it for today's video, and that's it. Bye bye.